This is Jack. He is the sheriff of his town and has recently lost his wife in the forest. He wants to find her, so he goes out to the forest to find her.
There, why not come closer? I do not want to hurt. I know where your wife is. Darling, come here, my love.
Ha 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 ha!